determine the equation of the line that is tangent to this function y at x is equal to a half. So again, the first thing I'm going to do here is draw the exponential or sketch the exponential function. Let that be y is equal to 8 to the power of x. And when x is equal to a half, I want to find the equation of the line that is tangent at that point there. Okay, so let me redraw that. It'll look something like this. Okay, so in this case here, we actually want to find the functional expression for this line. Okay. To find the equation of a line, we need two things, right? We either need 2 points on the line or a point and its slope. Okay. In this particular question, I can find the point on the line very easily by plugging in x is equal to a half into my original function. Okay. So let's do that. Y evaluated at a half is equal to 8 to the power of a half. 8 to the power of a half is simply the square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. So the point on the line, its coordinate is given by half multiplied by 2 root 2. Okay. So point, check. We now need the slope of this line. And the slope could be obtained from the derivative of the function y is equal to 8 to the power of x, right? So the slope y prime differentiating 8 to the power of x gives us 8 to the power of x multiplied by ln of x, okay, or ln of 8 rather. And to find the slope when x is equal to a half, I'm going to plug in a half into my derivative. And that yields a slope of 2 root 2. We saw that square root of 8 was 2 root 2 multiplied by ln of 8. And 8 can be written as 2 cubed. And using the ln property, I can bring down the 3 to the front, right, to further simplify. So I'll get 6 root 2 multiplied by ln of 2. And that right there is my slope. So we have a point, we have a slope. We should be able to find the equation of this tangent line. And that will be y minus 2 root 2 is equal to the slope 6 root 2 ln of 2 multiplied by x minus a half. Let's do some algebra here to simplify. Okay. So I'm going to expand over here this expression to get 6 root 2 ln of 2 all multiplied by x minus multiply a half by this expression, which would be 3 root 2 ln of 2. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring 2 root 2 to the right hand side. I'm going to add 2 root 2 to this expression. Okay. And can we simplify a little bit more? We could, but you know what? This is, I think, good enough. Okay, so the equation of our tangent line will be all of this.